This video is in connection with your assignment number 28. We are continuing with the chapter on lines and angles. I'm taking one question which is based on your assignment number 28. You got to use the concept of complementary and supplementary. I've already told you complementary angles add up to 90 degrees and supplementary angles add up to 180 degrees. So we've got a question here. If two supplementary angles are in the ratio 2:7, find them. So what we understand is that there are two angles which are supplementary. So we'll take this diagram where we've got two angles. Now this being a straight line, I understand that from here till here it is 180 degrees. At the same time, when I add these two angles, it will give me a total of 180 degrees because it says supplementary. Now it is in the ratio of 2:7. So let the angles be 2x and 7x. So I'm taking it in an algebraic form. So what I understand from here is that this angle is 2x and this angle is 7x. When I add the two of them, it's supposed to give me 180 degrees. So we can form an equation out of it. So my equation from here will be 2x plus 7x is equal to 180 degrees, which implies that 9x will be equal to 180 degrees and x will be equal to 180 divided by 9 will give me 20 degrees. So now that I know the value of x, I can easily find the two angles. So I can say, therefore, the two angles are, now my first angle was 2x. So which means 2 multiplied by the value of x, which is 20 degrees. So that gives me 40 degrees. And the other angle, that is 7x, is equal to 7 multiplied by 20 degrees, which will give me 140 degrees. When I add these two angles, it's giving me 180 degrees. But the same sum, I can use another method of doing it. Our ratio was 2:7. So let's take it in this form. I've got a straight line which is 180 degrees and these two angles here are giving me 180 degrees. They are in the ratio 2:7. When I add the two of them, 2 plus 7 is going to give me 9. Now, keeping that in mind, my first angle will be equal to 2, that is this 2, divided by the total, that is 9, of supplementary angle, that means 180 degrees. So 2 9ths of 180 degrees. 9 will go 20 times, 20 into 2, directly will give me 40 degrees. Similarly, if I look at the next one, that's the second angle, will be equal to, the second angle was 7 out of 9 of 180 degrees. So 9 will go 20 times, 20 into 7 will give me 140 degrees. So we can use any of these two methods in order to work with sums based on complementary and supplementary angles.